Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with the results of close-up coins. There was 5 coins up for guessing. The first coin was the Commonwealth Games Wales £2 from 2002. Everyone got coin number 2 correct, and it is indeed the 2015 The Battle of Britain 50p. Moving on, a little bit more difficult this one, and a hard coin to find indeed. It is the X for X marks the spot 10p coin. 2018 or 2019, either of those the same design, both would be correct. Coin number 4 is a larger styled 50p coin, and it is the Ring of Hands, this one then from 1973, an absolute beauty. This coin, I've tried to trick everyone, I've tried to make it as hard as possible, but again, I have been defeated. 6 people have got them all right. The final coin then is the older £2 coin, 1986 Commonwealth Games Scotland, with the thistle layer in the middle. A beautiful coin. If you don't have this one in your collections, definitely try and get hold of it if you can. So let's have a little look then to see who has beaten me again. Squirreling Coins, Andy Vickers, Norman Graham, Chrissy Cross, Shep Adam and Wally Robson. Again, not all YouTube comments do save. They didn't all last week. Apologies to Andy and I think also Norman Graham as well. They did manage to get them all right last week. If yours haven't saved, again, let me know and I will get your name shouted out next week as well. Another one of these games is going to come up for the course of the weekend. I'm going to try and make a few of them as difficult as possible. At the moment though, I still haven't won. Will it be my time this weekend? Time will tell. And as always, if you want to see your own game featured on the channel, please do let me know and we'll play it whenever we can. Stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.